Welcome to another science class for this week. Our topic is going to be about sound. The textbook page is on page 128 to 130 and our workbook page 79 to 80. Now here is a video link. I'm going to post it on the Google Classroom so you can find the video. Alright, let's go to the next outline. Now, what are the objectives? I'm going to explain how sounds are made, describe how sound travels as sound waves. Now, the keywords. Here are the keywords and with the meaning. The liquid, it's one of the three states of matter. For example, water is a liquid, oil is a liquid, alright? Solid, one of the three common states of matter, like a metal, like a glass, like wood, they are all solid. Sound wave, a vibration that travels through the air or other materials. Vibrate, move to and fro quickly. So vibration means moving to and fro quickly. So what is sound? What is sound? Now let's see. Sound is an energy caused by vibration that creates waves. So sound is an energy caused by vibration that creates waves. So let's look at making sound. Of course, if you want to talk about sound, you cannot but talk about the hear. Alright, so making sound. Sound is a kind of energy that travels into our ears as waves. The sounds are made when something vibrates. So vibration is rapid to and fro movement. Rapid to and fro movement. So here are some activity how you can make sound. Our world is full of sound. So how can you make sound? You have activity 1, activity 2. Just follow the steps how to make a sound here. And about activity 2, you have a water, you have a bottle, fill it with water. You can make sound with that. And also activity 3, all you need is a rubber band, a card, or a plastic box. So you stretch the rubber band around the box, you twang the band so that they vibrate to and fro. So with that, you will hear the sound. And also activity 4, making sound with a drum. Now you can try this at home. All these activities are for you to try how to make sound. Okay, you can make a video, a small video of how you make your sound and attach it on ClassDojo or the Google Classroom. All right, and I will be expecting from you. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. What is vibration? So vibrations, you can see this vibrating, shake quickly back and forth. So when something vibrates, it produces sound. Sounds are made by vibrating objects. So if you twang a ruler over the edge of a desk, you can try that. It vibrates. The same happens when you pluck a rubber band or you beat a drum. So if you beat a drum, there's a kind of vibration, and with that, sound is produced. Okay, so how sound travels through sounds travel through the air to our ears. A vibrating object moves to and fro. That means back and forward. So as it moves forward, it pushes against the air around it. You can see. Squashing it and raising its pressure a little. as it moves backwards, it lets the air spread out so that the pressure falls. These up and down changes in pressure travel through the air as a sound wave. Can you see? These are the sound waves, they are traveling. Okay, these are the waves. Although you can't see it with your physical eyes, all right? Unlike the wave on the sea. Can you see? The sound waves travel away from the sound source in a direction, just like this water wave. So when a sound is about to occur, the direction the sound waves travel away from the sound source. Okay, and from that, sound is produced. Now, sound waves travel through solids and liquids too. You can hear sound when you swim on the water, right? You can hear sound. Dolphins and waves make underwater sounds to communicate with each other. So under the water, there's also sound. Okay, this proves that sound can travel through liquid. So this dolphin, when they are under the water, they make sound to do what? Communicate. So there is sound also under the water. And here is an activity 5. You can also do this. Send a picture, a short video, how you can make sound through solid. Now here is through a door, and here is through a alarm clock. You put a wood, a vibrating clock. Okay, now when the alarm rings, you see, know whether you can hear sounds too through solid. Okay, and here is what you have learned. Here are the keywords with which will help you fill in the blanks. So you have liquids, you have sound wave, you have solid, you have vibrate. All these you will use them in what you have learned. Now here is the workbook page, and here is activity 1, 2, and 3, at which you are going to do. Now look at the picture. Can you find at least 8 sources of sound? Now you're going to ring them. Ring means circle them. So looking at this picture, what are the things that can make sound here? For example, the sound of this bicycle can make sound, all right? So you're going to circle those things that can make sound that you can see in this picture. And here you're going to write true or false. And here is an experiment at which you can do. You can try them at home, but make sure you're going to stay safe. All right. Any doubt, kindly send a message and I'll be